Do you think you won?
Well, by weight, I don't think so, but by volume, I don't know.
Do you think you won?
I did. I mean, in my own way, yes, I do. I do because I've always wanted to do this, and I did the best I could.
Michael, would you do it again? Yes. How did you win? What was your strategy? Eat and drink lots of water.
420 is a memorable day. So for us, that's our anniversary. Our whole concept revolves around 420. So the least we could do is give all our clients back something, and this is our way of celebrating.
And why 420?
Well, because today's April 20th, and it's the National Something Day. I don't know.
Something day.
National Something Day.
It's the day to get baked.
Yes,
It is
it's
the
a great baking day.
Get that.
Yes.